This is a love reading for you, Taurus, for August to September. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. It could be your crush, somebody you've been dating, or it is your ex. It could be your spouse also. So, this is a general reading, and everything will not resonate as it is with all Taurus. If you would like a very personal reading or to see how your situation is exactly, you would want to write to me for a private reading. So, this is a general reading, and everything does not resonate as it is with all Taurus, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, let us see how's the guidance. Also, you want to read my newsletter, it is the link is given in the description box. It is made with lot of effort, and you want to go through it and share it with as many people. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? Then, how do you see? How does your partner see you? How do you see your partner? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future with each other? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? One, you both are very strong personalities. You have very, it's not like you both are very easy to mold. I'm seeing people with lot of individualities, strong personality here. Now, you are holding it good, Taurus, in the relationship, but your partner is going through a very big problem. Maybe it is something that happened at the work situation, maybe it is the business, but your partner is going through hell. It is also possible that for some of you, your partner is telling you this marriage will not work out or this relationship will not work out, but you're holding the ground and nothing seems to, you know, nothing seems to waver your commitment to this relationship. So I'm saying that while your partner is going through hell or something very, very deep and bad, you're holding it all together, you know. So, also work wise, the two of you may be at a very good situation. You are possibly passed out or done well from a certain college and doing well from a certain college, so is your partner. I am seeing the both of you are doing very well, and just something that your partner is going through. It's also possible your partner just had a fall or just fell and may have got some fracture or something. I'm just seeing a certain hit that your partner has gotten. Now, some of you could be dating someone who's going through a divorce or a separation, Taurus. Maybe the person you are in love with is going through a separation or a divorce, and that's how it is. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? These are such nice cards. I'm seeing here is one, you can impress someone very deeply with your words, and it's almost like you're proposing marriage to a person, and that we will make it very good, or we are very good with each other, we are in a winning relationship. You seem to be saying this to your partner. Your partner is someone who's feeling that he or she may have met you after a lot of effort, or has met you with lot of time spent trying to find the perfect person, and now is with you. So your partner is very glued on to you, and will stay very very committed. So I'm seeing your partner is very very committed to you. These both the cards are about being together, or making a union very successful. So the cards are very nice, the energies are very vibrant, but just that your partner is going through some kind of a hell. And I'm just seeing lot of major arcana cards, so when there is so much major arcana, it's telling me you both are big in your own field of work or the kind of work you do. So these are very strong personalities at play here. Some of you have got a promotion also, Taurus. I am just saying that work wise, or maybe in some life situation, you've got a very big promotion. You have moved up the ranks or very big up the cadre. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's very generous, very easy to deal with, and somebody who will help with just asking. So your partner doesn't hold back, he or she will just give very freely, is very very fair, and there is no bad bone to your partner. You don't seem to see anything bad about your partner. You are very positive, gung ho about this person you are dating, and you truly like being with this partner. Your partner sees that you may have sacrificed some travels, or some travel that was work related, or you may have sacrificed your career in some way to be with the to make this relationship work. So your partner sees that you've made some sacrifices in this relationship, and these sacrifices were that you choose to not travel alone or not be gone for too long in this relationship. So your partner is very appreciative of all the time you have spent, and staying very committed in the relationship. Yeah, so that's how I'm seeing this guidance. You both are very appreciative, and very positive about each other. So these cards are just amazing when I'm seeing them, that how you both appreciate how you two are in the relationship. Now, what is the hope or fear you have, your partner has about the future with you, and you have about the future with this partner? Your partner is quite smitten. He or she feels that this is the happily ever after, and the two of you been together for a very long time. Your partner feels the future is with you, and the two of you will go very far. So your partner is very very gung ho, positive about this relationship, and is also convinced that this will work out in the future completely. About the future, you feel, Taurus, with this partner, it will be a lot of risk, and not everything is known to you, and there is a lot of risk that is going to unfold or come along, and you seem to be very very ready or accepting of this risk or whatever will come along in this relationship, because I'm seeing you're not running away, you're holding ground, you're very positive about making a proposal, and you're so positive about the partner also, so about the future, but you are acutely aware that there will be some risk, or there is not everything that you know, or it's a very risky proposition to be with this partner. Why you feel like this, maybe the details are known to you, but you feel it is a fairly risky relationship, or it's quite possible some of you are dating where lot of things are not yet clear, or your partner is not out of the woods yet in terms of how the career is or how their past relationship may have been. So details would be known to you, but that's how you feel, Taurus, about the future with this partner. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you have had a lot of trial and error with your career. Maybe you were taught something, and you tried to launch some company or tried to launch some business or took up a certain job which did not work out. So you've had a lot of trial and error with your work, and I'm seeing right now you are in a very good situation career wise, but you have spent a lot of time just trying to make a very stable career or have a very good earnings. In the past, I'm seeing your partner is coming from a lot of sadness emotionally. He or she has been through a lot of emotional turmoil, and it could be, that is what it may be reflecting here also, that this is something from the past or from the ex. So here she has been through a lot of pain in the past, and the energy seems to still continue in some way of lot of loss and sadness for your partner. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? One, it will work out. I'm getting the guidance this relationship will work out, and it's very heavily blessed. The two of you are very understanding. Nobody wants to take the more in the relationship. There is no mind games. The two of you are very blessed, and you have a very strong emotional connection. And you see, there is a sun here which is telling me, should you both continue in this journey of being together, there is a lot of success you will find. So it's a very beautiful guidance, and it's almost the angels are watching over this relationship. So there is so much emotional depth and understanding, and there is a certain success also about this relationship. So overall cards are looking very good, Taurus, for you and your love interest.